I'm talking today about some products I would recommend for oily skin. There is a misconception out there that oily skin needs aggressive cleansers to clean the skin. That's not true. Using aggressive cleansers just really strips that barrier and opens it up to bad bacteria getting in, and also sends the body into overdrive where it compensates and produces more oil. So we just need to get that balance right. So I would suggest for cleansing, a good cleanser is the Aspect Doctor Deep Clean. It's a nice purifying cleanser with some naturally occurring AHAs, and it just balances the skin quite nicely, doesn't strip it. So a good cleanser for oily skin. There's also another misconception that oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. Again, that's untrue. We need to balance the skin, and yes, some moisturizers can be a little bit too heavy for an oily skin, so you need to pick a lighter moisturizer that doesn't clog the pores. Moisturizer I would recommend is the Aspect Doctor Ultralight Clarifying Moisturizer. It's a really nice light moisturizer, but it doesn't clog the pores, clarifies the skin, and sits quite nicely on it. Also, a lot of patients we see sometimes say, because they have oily skin, that they don't like wearing SPF because it just feels too heavy on the skin and feels too greasy. All skin types need to wear SPF every day. So it's just about picking the right SPF that actually feels good on the skin and doesn't clog the skin. So I would recommend the Aspect Envirostat Face SPF 50. It's a really nice SPF. It's quite light, and it feels dry on the skin when it's rubbed in, and it's non-greasy formulation, so oily skins will like that too.